SEMRush tutorial for beginners, step-by-step guide to use SEMRush. Hi guys, good day, and for today's video, I will show you a SEMRush tutorial for beginners and show you what are the things that you can do with SEMRush and how SEMRush can help you. So if you're running a blog, online business, or e-commerce shop, it is not an easy work. There are tons of things to take care of, from publishing content to fulfilling orders to site maintenance and marketing your brand. And if you're a one-man team, finding the time to take care of everything can be a challenging for you. And also, you can't afford to neglect anything when it comes to running a successful website, especially when you want to beat a competition. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is one of the most important aspects of digital marketing because it can help you grow your following or business, rank higher in search result, and establish your own brand. And with this software, SEMrush, it will make all your work more easier and faster. So this software can help you audit your website, create content that brings you more traffic, track your rankings, run competitive analysis, conduct keyword research, and optimize backlinks, and many more. So for you to get started, we need to go first to their website, semrush.com, and this is the main homepage. So for us to get started, we need to first create an account. But before we create an account, let's first check its pricing for us to see if we are able to afford this kind of software. So as you can see here, they have three different pricing. So the first one is the Pro plan for $119.95 per month. And for this one, you can get 5 projects, 500 keywords to track with daily updates, and more. And also, the Goro plan for $229.95 per month, you will be getting 15 projects and 1,500 keywords to track. And the last plan is the business plan for $449.95 per month. And you can get 40 projects and 5,000 keywords to track with daily updates, and many more. And here they have a free trial for you to try the software before you make a payment. So first, we need to sign up. So click on the sign up button here. So to sign up, we can just provide our email here and create your own password, or you can directly continue with your Google account. So let me just go ahead and select continue with my Google account. It's more easier for me this way. And once you sign up, you will be redirected to this page to choose your trial plan. So you have the Pro plan and the Goro plan here to get a free trial. So let me just go ahead and select this Pro plan up here. So I will go ahead and click the Get Free Trial. And by the way, for this plan, you will be getting 5 projects, 500 keywords to track, 100,000 pages to crawl, and PDF export. If you will select the Goro, then it will give you more features, as you can see here. But let me just select the Pro plan for today's tutorial. And by the way, after the free trial period ends, you will be automatically charged the monthly subscription fee. And you can cancel your subscription and request a refund within 7 days after your free trial expires. And here you will be redirected to provide your card information or the billing information. So let me just settle this one first and I will be back to you guys. So this is the main dashboard of SEMrush once you sign up and log into your account. So as you can see here, SEMrush can also help you with your SEO, with your competitive research, social media, content marketing, and many more. So the first thing that we will be trying is the SEO research. So let's go ahead and search here. As you can see, we have the search bar here. So let's type the reusable face mask and then click the search button. And here's the keyword overview results. So as you can see here, we have the keyword research now. And we have the country here. We can also change the country to United States or whenever country you like. But for today, since we are using an English word, so it's better that we make use of the United States. And then as you can see here, we have the results. So we have 60,500 volume here, and the keyword difficulty is 90% since there's a lot of people using this keyword. So as you can see here, you also have your bar graph to see how trend this keyword that we just researched, the reusable face mask. So you need to also check this one. And down here, you also have your keyword variation. You can see here more interesting keyword here that is related to the keyword that you research. So like reusable face mask with filters, kids reusable face mask. So these keywords, you can also make use of this one in your website or add it in your website for your website to be ranked on the top of the search engine when someone research for these keyword on Google. So as you can see here, you have a lot of keywords here. There are also questions here and related keywords. So this is how SEMRush can help you rank your website and get your search engine optimization. So let's go ahead and go to Keyword Magic Tool. So over here, you will see the volume and the rank of each of the keywords. So as you can see here, we have the top keywords here that's related to the keyword that we research. So as you can see here, their volume. So they have the top volume and it's getting less and less. So just an advice, guys, if your website is just new and you are still trying to grow, then it's better that you will be using a keyword with less volume, like 1000 or just 100 volume, since you are still trying to grow your website, because you cannot just compete to high volume keywords, because if you will to compete to these higher volume keywords, then there are chances that your website or your article will not be seen to your audience because you are just new. So make use of the less volume keyword first, and once your website starts to grow, then that is the time that you can make use of this top rank keywords. So I guess that's all for today's video about the SEMrush. So I will just show you the SEO keyword research for this tutorial. So that's how easy you can make use of this SEMrush application or software for your SEO ranking or for SEO research. So I hope you learned something from today's video. And if you have any question, guys, just comment down below. And thank you so much for watching.